Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a bit of headlight renovation. These are a new pair of headlights I've got. Fancied a bit of with an LED running light and indicator style, just to change up basically what I've already got. Here's what the original ones look like. So not too bad actually. The other one was a bit worse, just a bit of misting on the outside. And now this is what we've got after a bit of headlight polishing. As you can see, they're nice and clear. So I'm going to go a bit of a step-by-step guide on how we do this, and then I'll probably make another video later on the fitment of these. Okay, let's crack on. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is I've got this drill, a little attachment with a standing pad on, this one here. And we're going to start off with a bit of wet and dry. 800 grit first. We just basically apply that like so. Get my trusty sprayer. Just mix that up. And then lightly start sanding it down. Wipe off the excess to see what we've got. It always looks worse to start. And then what we'll start doing is going bit by bit up with a finer grit. Next on is the 1000 with a spray. I'll start the process again. Wipe off. Next on with the 1500 spray. Use 3000. Again, with the spray. I'll dry that off. Okay, now that's all dried in and misted over, we'll give it a buff off. Buffing pad, So, yeah. As you can see, much better already. I'll give it one more polish. I think on the last one I did about 3, so we keep doing that until you get the finish that you want. Much better. We're pretty much there. Okay, now I've got them together. Need a bit of a clean up. So again, can you spray? Kitchen roll. Top it off. Get rid of the residue that might be on that remaining before we seal it. Okay, so this is what we're going to use, the headlight sealer. Final step is to buff it off. Pretty happy with those. I'm going to give it one more seal, one more polish, and we're done. The more we can seal it now, the better it will last. Final look. Now look how well these have come up. Very impressed. Can't wait to get them on. Now they're clean enough, you can pick up, there's actually a blue bulb in there. So we'll check those out and maybe get them replaced with some LEDs. So finally, just to see what we've used, this is what we've used today. Very, very good product. I thoroughly recommend it. I think I purchased this from Amazon, currently around about £13. As I said, very, very good. Highly recommend it, and great results. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.